Good boy, Seamus. Good boy, Winston. I'd be a bit nervous of that big boy now. That's quite toppled. I think I'll go around this side of it. Jesus, that one's on the way down too. Okay, let's go. Oh, oh lordy. It's good for me. The exercise is good for me. Okay. So a few tips for filming. The camera is great on landscape for YouTube videos. And this next 5 seconds I'm going to just turn my whole body with the phone. So that's turning my whole arm is pivoting. And in this 5 seconds I'm just pivoting the phone itself. Do you see the difference for like cinematic quality? I'm just pivoting the phone in my wrist. It just makes it a nice cleaner image, I suppose. And when I'm walking, I have my knees bent and I'm taking like a lot of the shock in my knees so that I'm not just like stomping and every footstep is like a dump, dump, dump with the camera. I have my knees bent so I'm taking a much smoother film. And to keep a steady hand has to be some good points to drinking a lot of alcohol back in the day. I just imagine I'm holding a pint full of beer from the bar to the table and I don't want to spill a drop. So there are a couple of little tips for filming out in nature to try and get a nice clean image. Now I have no idea. Wow, that's amazing looking. I have no idea how to navigate out of here. I don't know where these dogs are taking me. Maybe it's a good idea if I lead in the walks rather than let the dogs lead. But it's always a nice adventure to get off the rock and go and have a look around. Yeah, go on out and we'll come back in. It's just a bit wild back there. We'll come back in at the bridge. Alright. Coast is clear-ish. There's a guy back there, but we're good. So, back out in the path. I'm going to see, like, I'm not going to bend my knees now. You see when I'm walking, there's an up and down of the camera and a stomping. Whereas if I bend my knees, just slightly bend my knees and kind of walk a bit like I'm trying to walk silently. Also, it helps to hold the camera away from my face. So you can still pick up my voice, but you don't pick up every little mouth sound and every breath. So that's a few little tricks that I've learned so far for film outdoors. I still have a lot more tricks to learn. So here as we get to here, I'm just going to pivot the camera around instead of what? I don't know. My breath is taken away every time I come in here. I never get tired of this place. Oh, it's so magical. I cannot wait for the summer. I'm going to come out here and sit down for like an hour or however long my battery will let me and just set the phone up on a tripod. I might actually do a live out here and just sit in nature, and you're welcome to come and join my sitting in nature. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? Come and sit in some moss with me. And yes, it absolutely is moss. I don't know why my brain just went blank that time. It is absolutely moss and it is glorious and beautiful. And the way the sun just gets in on little spots. Oh my God. How magical. Okay, have a magical day. Whatever you're doing, be kind and take really good care of yourself.